At this time, at this she remembered Brain, the man who helped her when she needed it most. After finishing her meal, now at the situation where the old lady was sitting inside a cafe and she observed a a very a very a lady who was really in struggle. She was bearing so much pain as per the hard duty, and even though she is not good in condition to carry on that much long duty, because of she is pregnant, and in soon, in within a month or 2 months, she is going to give birth a baby. And now the old lady found the old lady had a great sympathy towards her. So at this time, when she was calculating, when she was imagining, when she was thinking about this waitress, and suddenly she brought her mind towards Brain, and Brain words that the man who helped her when she needed it most. After finishing her meal, when the old lady finished her meal, finished her small break of a cup of tea and 2 3 toast, when she needed it most, after finishing her meal, she paid with £100 bill. Bill means she paid £100 of a kind of a bill, whatever the things which she needed, which she had observed, which she had consumed, almost 2 3 a pound of a cup of coffee, and the same, it must almost £5 of bill was that. But what she did, she paid almost 100 pound, because it was, she was thinking that this lady or this waitress was really in need of money, so she extended a hand of helping towards her, because in the situation time, in the meanwhile time, that somebody had really helped her. Now the waitress quickly went to get change for her £100 bill, but the old lady had slipped right out of the door. She was gone by the time when the waitress came back. And now, being a loyal, being an honest uh, employee of the cafe, what she did, she found that she had given a hundred pound of note. So she just went to the desk, went to the counter, and changed the whatever the money is given back. So when she came back, she found that the old lady had slipped away. The old lady had gone away from this place. The waitress wondered means thinking where the lady could be. Then she noticed something written on the napkin, and what she found that finally, first of all, the waitress was thinking that where the lady had gone, and then suddenly she observed that there something is written on the napkin. Napkin means tissue paper. There were tears in her eyes when she read what the lady wrote. While reading the napkin, while reading the words which is written on the napkin, she started crying. She started have a flow of tears into her eyes after reading this let after reading these words. You don't owe me anything. I have been there too. Somebody once helped me out the way I am helping you. If you really want to pay me back, here is what you can do. Don't let this chain of love end with you. Now, here on the napkin, what was written here there, that I I just I I have no relation. I have no kind of relation with each other. We don't know each other. But being a kind person, being a gentle person, I thought that you are really in need of help. So I just gave you a little amount of money, which will be very beneficial for you. And I request you, if you want to pay me back, then what you have to do, don't, you will not leave this chain in this end. You have to carry on this chain of which is full of love, prosperity, and prosperous. Under the napkin were four more £100 bills, and under the napkin, she found that waitress found that there were also 400 bill, means that notes. That bill is also known as note, and there were almost 400 notes of pound. Well, there were tables to clear, sugar bowls to fill, and people to serve, but the waitress made it through another day. And there were many works which were pending. Was what were the works which were be pending? The that the table should be clean and the sugar balls to fill. That there was a small box of sugar which she had to fill it by the sugar, and that there were also some customers that she had to serve. But what she did, she went away to her home and leave this work on tomorrow, that she will complete every work on tomorrow. Now for this today, she is just need a relax, she need a type of mental peace, and as she was so exhausted, now she went away from this restaurant, from this cafe. That night, when she got home from work and climbed into bed, now after that same night, when she completed her work, she just came to her home, and now after paining each and every part of her body, she just went to the bed. She was thinking about the money and what the lady had written, and what she was thinking in her mind about the money and the napkin which she on the napkin she had noted something down. How could the lady have known how much she and her husband needed it? And the waitress was thinking in her mind that how she knew that, how it is possible that she knew that me and my husband were really in need of money. With the baby arriving next month, as my baby is, as I'm giving a birth of a baby, and it was going to be very hard. So she knew how worried her husband was, and in just next month we have to be a big a new family member is going to be connect with us, and it will be become so hard if in a form of financial, and as we also have been going through with the financial crisis, and our conditions are so poor. But how it's very, thank God, it's a mercy of God that somebody was really helped me in the time when I was really in trouble. She was thinking in her mind every concept. As as he lay, who is he here? The husband of this waitress. As he lay sleeping next to her, she gave him a soft hug and whispered softly. And now the waitress, who was just sleeping with her husband, she just turned her face towards her husband and gave her a very gentle hug, and whispered, spoke something very slowly, in a very slow tone. What she said? She said to her husband, "Don't worry, brain, everything is going to be alright." And what she said, that don't worry about anything, any problem, any situation, everything is going to be so fine. And to whom she said? She said to her husband, the name of the husband is, my dear students, Brain. He is the same guy who helped the old lady, and the old lady didn't know about this, that this waitress is the wife of this man who helped her. But as she believed in to build the chain to help others, now if you help others, definitely the positive signs you will get in the form of anything. So this is the all end of the chapter. How beautifully the climax of the chapter, so really nice and wonderful. Now just start the question answer, just go through with the question answer of the chapter. Why should we help other during the time of needs? The writer is asking to us that why should we help others during the times of need. Now here, helping is a best activity uh, in the life of human, as helping makes a person so different. Helping makes a person totally change the way of thinking about life. To see the way of life is totally changed. Helping makes person positive. If a person has this type of habit, this type of hobby to help others, that he will be remembered in the good memories of people. He will be always become a hero in the eyes of others. He will always be rewarded. He will always be appreciated. Everybody will try to follow him. Everybody will expect it from him. And if you have seen number of people in I have known in my life, that They are in a path that if somebody gets some problem, then everybody remember that this guy will really help me. And so they made us a type of confidence, that much surety, that if somebody have trouble, then he is here to sort out the problem. So this type of activity, this type of aid is really make a person beyond the limitation, beyond the appreciation, beyond as a form of God. Yes, I would say that I had told you that it is a form of God, because the God is always there to have mercy on us. So we are not a God, but we can do a little bit work of charity, we can do a little bit work of donation, we can do a little bit work of helping others in a form of financial, in a form of mental help. So there are many ways to help others, and it's very important to have such type of mindset, to have such type of illusion, or a kind of a perception in the mind, that we always consider about help others who are in need. What kind of a person is always ready to help others? What kind of person? In my opinion, a such type of person who are always ready to help others, in my perception, that they had a feeling, they had a soft heart, tender heart, and their souls are alive. As I have told you in the explanation, that the many people have that their souls are totally died, their body structure is live, but the inner soul, the humanity, had disappeared from the life. But those people who have a soft corner, they cannot see somebody is harming someone, or they cannot see somebody is in problem, so or somebody is crying in front of them, and they cannot bear this thing. So these type of person are always ready to help others. In my perception, the teacher is always ready to help the students, whereas he is returning some amount in payback, but his role in the society is wonderful, is extraordinary, because he is always, if he finds that if somebody is really in need to get education, to clear his or her concept, that the teacher is always ready to make his or her future bright. And so they are always ready. Even doctors are always ready. Doctors play their role wonderfully. They are in a form of God, and they are always ready to give their 100% best, so that the person who is under their seizure, under their fingers, he or she can get a proper treatment and a proper operation, or they can operate very well the person. So they are so helping. Such type of person are always ready to help. Now the written based question: what difficulty was the old lady in? The old lady was in the problem. She found that her car tire was flat, and she had been continuously waiting for an hour or so, but nobody was ready to help her. But finally, she got a prince, she got a form of God, a human in a form of God, who was ready to help her without asking, without taking anything in return. When Brain went for her help, what did the old lady think? In the initial time, in the initial period, the lady was so worried by the seeing the presence of the Baron, because the Baron was having a smiling face, and he was coming towards her, and she was having a scare that this man can harm her, can rob her, can steal something, and maybe hurt or injure her. So that's why she is thinking in her mind, why did Brain refuse any payment for his help? The brain tendency, the brain is not as a type of things. Now here, wonderful words are here. Brain is not running behind the money. His money concept is, to some extent, is okay, but when he does help, Actually, it is in his blood to help others who are in trouble, who he found that in troubles, or who are in really in some difficulty. So he is always ready to be there to help. But here he was not looking for money. He was looking for the making a chain, that as the lady was ready to pay her pay him little bit amount of money, whatever he would say. But what did he say? He said that you can, if you want to pay me back, then you can you can pay me by giving somebody other help. If you found that somebody is in trouble, somebody is in difficulty, somebody is in problem, then just help her. And you just thinking in about me, that now you have paid me, you have repaid me, whatever I had done for you, you had done, you have accomplished your work. And so this is the thing you have to teach each and everybody in your future. What was done by the waitress to show the old lady that she cared for her? What was done by the waitress? What was done? What the old lady had done with this poor waitress? She found that the old waitress had been working for long period of time in her duty, and also she was carrying a baby in her tummy. She was a pregnant lady, and in a month she is going to deliver, or she was going to birth a child as well. As and that all things made her so compelled, that, and she finally thought that it is the time to help somebody who is in real trouble. Because she was, first of all, she was a pregnant lady. She was having a almost 8 month of pregnancy, and now after still she is, now it's in late night, and still she is working so hard with having a smile. But behind the smile there were so many sorrows, there were so many tension, there were so many distress. But she was not showing each and every problem, her her sadness, by her face. She was ready to help or to serve the customer as much as she can. And these all things made her to come on this conclusion to help this waitress. On the basis of your understanding of the text, complete the following. When the old lady saw Brian Simpson coming, she thought, let me read it, it was there. Before she wouldn't, she has been and from she thought that he may and he didn't see some poor. When the old lady saw Brain Simpson coming, she thought, she had been waiting there for help and so on. Stop. She thought, now here, this is the answer. She thought, was the man going to hurt her? He didn't look safe and sound, but poor and hungry. So this is the answer of this fill in the blank. Now second question. Baron Simpson refused a payment by the old lady because the second piece, the answers I'll get. Refuse the payment of the old lady because this was not a job for him. He was just helping someone who was there. There had been plenty of people who have a whole life No good. He heard a lady that really wanted to pay back the next time someone help, she could please her call midnight and went to the just paid her word. As the lady standing the Brain never thought even for once about being paid. This was not a job for him. He was just helping someone who was in dire need of help. Now here this is the answer. He was just helping someone who was in dire in need of help. There had been plenty of people who had, so this was the answer. And the next answer, which is not in the in my this PDF, so I'll give you. When the old lady saw the condition of the waitress, she felt the old lady wondered how someone who had so little salary could be so giving to a stranger. This she thought about it. So this is the all about the chapter. The question answer we have completed. I hope you are you have liked the video. You have understood each and every concept of the chapter. And is there any doubt? Is there any query? You can really contact me. I'm so desperate to feedback you. I'm so desperate to revert you as soon as I'll get your query. Thank you so much, dear students, to be with me.